All right, these are our sugars you're gonna use. This one right here is cotton candy, and it comes with a scooper. That's a perfect measurement. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pour it right into the center, right? And you're gonna power and heater and let it go. So since you warmed it up, it doesn't take much to get the sugar starting to melt down. And when it does, you're gonna, if you're standing really close, you're gonna feel like little streams of sugar touching you. So you'll see it, but you'll also feel it as well. And once that happens, just know it's about that time to grab your cone, and you're gonna wanna hold it where your hand is gonna be towards the smaller end, and you're gonna wanna put it directly over like that, so that way you can build this way. Because it's a little more difficult if you build on the bigger end to the smaller end. All right, you're gonna wanna start at the end that's closest to your hand, and you're gonna wanna keep spinning. And then as you feel it getting thicker, start moving towards the top, and then you can go backwards at that point. And you're gonna keep building and keep going till there's the top. And however big you like it is how big you can make it. I like mine really big, but that's just because my daughter loves this stuff. So, and then I'm gonna go back towards the end, and I'm gonna make it as big as I want. That's pretty good size. And I'm gonna make the middle a little bigger than the end. I'm a perfectionist. I like for it to look good. All right. Here we go.
Mommy, Mama.
All right, that's it. This is how it's gonna look when you're done. When you're all done, you're gonna wanna go ahead and hit the power off. So you're gonna hit power off and then heater off. And then you have, voila.